Hello everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we are going to learn how to crochet a solid crunch stitch. This is a very dense crochet stitch. I really do like it. It has a little bit of stretch to it, as you can see here. Not a whole lot, so not something you're going to want to use as a brim of a hat or anything like that, but it does have some give to it. It is completely solid, and that's because of the slip stitches that you're going to see worked into the pattern today. It's double-sided. It's the same on both sides and features this great texture. For the tutorial today, I'm going to be using a medium or a worsted weight yarn. This is the Heatherly yarn by We Crochet and Knit Picks, and I'll be working in one color. You can use one or multiple. I'll also be working with a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook. Links to these items are in the description of this video. Also down in the description you'll find a direct link to the free written instructions on my website at richtexturescrochet.com. Also down in the description you'll find a link to my Amazon shop, and there I have a few books that are published by myself on there, one of which is Intermediate Crochet Stitches. So if you enjoy learning new crochet stitches, this book is filled with stitches that feature color and texture. It's in the description for you. Thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, I invite you to take a look around. Don't forget to subscribe. This channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Let's grab our hooks and yarn and get started. Now our stitch today is worked in rows, and it's very easy to work. It's a 1-row repeat. We're going to start by making a slip knot. You're then going to work a foundation chain, and our foundation chain today will be an even number of stitches. So today I'm going to go ahead and chain 20 chains. Once you have that foundation chain worked, you're going to begin by working one slip stitch into the second chain from your hook, followed by a single crochet into the next. Slip stitch into the next stitch, and single crochet into the next. You're going to repeat this all the way across. Slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch, single crochet, all the way across to the final stitch. When you come to your final stitch, you're going to finish off with one slip stitch into the final stitch, chain 1, and turn your work. Now for row 2, we're going to work one slip stitch into the first stitch. Your chain 1 does not count as a stitch, followed by a single crochet into the next. Slip stitch into the next stitch, single crochet into the next. You're going to repeat this all the way across. You don't need to be too afraid of these slip stitches and working into them. You'll find that as you work it, they are quite a lot more easy to work into versus working a straight line of slip stitches. So slip stitch, single crochet all the way across to the final stitch. In your final stitch, work one slip stitch, chain 1, turn, and that is it. It is so easy. Slip stitch into that first stitch, followed by single crochet into the next. You're going to get that textured, dense fabric works in a lot of different crochet projects. And again, feel free to mix it up with some color if you wish. And that's all there is to working this solid crunch stitch. You're going to repeat that row 2 for as long as you would like, then fasten off and weave in your ends. So thank you so much for joining me on this quick tutorial on how to work the solid crunch stitch. Don't forget to subscribe, take a look around, check out the Crochet Stitches playlist. There are a number of other crochet stitches there that you may wish to give it a try. And I look forward to seeing you again next week. Until then, happy crocheting. Bye.